Welcome to Schneider's Gourmet World's Kitchen. I'm Rachel, and this guy over here is my husband. His name is Wes, and we are gonna have some fun today making cactus chips. So our first one that we're making today is the Kaktus Wheat More. These are the red round ones. And I always have people talk to me, it's like, I want those round things. And it's like, Wheat More, it is. All right, so we've got hot nacho. That's what we're gonna season with today. We've got our coconut oil, colored with beta carotene for natural color and flavor. So you're gonna wanna measure out half a cup of the Wheat More. We're going to turn on our burner. We have a portable burner here. For those of you who want something that you can work with our pot, instead of on your induction stove, these are great. You can get them at Canadian Tire for I think 25 bucks. So we're just gonna get this going, and we're gonna add our oil, 4 tablespoons just like that. This oil is really soft, which makes it much easier to put in. All right, so now we're gonna wait for the oil to heat up. And there's some clues that you want to watch for. One is when it starts to get to its smoke point, and you'll start to see a little bit of smoke just start coming up. That's your first good indication. And you want your setting on your stove to be between 8 and 10, so 8.5, 9, something like that, depending on how well you know your stove. Okay, we're starting to see a little smoke, and in she goes. And as soon as you've put them in, using the stirring mechanism, forward and back. Awesome. You're a good helper. All right, so now you use the lid to hold the chips in place while you drain the oil into a glass bowl. Let that drip off. Nice. And you want to put them in a bowl with paper towel lined in it. Let them cool off just a little while that's doing its thing. We're going to open up our hot nacho. There we are. So take your teaspoon. So we're going to go 1 teaspoon. Grab yourself a plastic bag. Toss the seasoning in the bag. Once these have cooled off just a little, we'll put them in the bag. Yeah. All right. And then secure the bag and shake until they're all coated. Remove your paper towel and into the bowl. Ready for snacking. That's awesome. Thanks for helping. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Rachel, he's Wes. We'll talk to you again soon.